Hello, tutorial number 4. In this tutorial I am going to cover the extrude cut tool as we see it here, and I am going to use the same part I made in tutorial number 3. So let's find a good plane to start drawing on it. So I am going to use the top plane, so in order to draw a sketch and cut it through these parts. So top plane, sketch, normal 2, and I'm going to choose circle to draw it somewhere. So I'm going to draw it in the center of the circle. Okay, and in feature going to extrude cut. So as we see here, the preview, so we can choose again the same like the extrude feature, which type and which direction. So I'm going to choose through all, so it's going to cut through all the part, and it will be the same like extrude to next and extrude to vertex. In this case I have to choose a place, so if I choose this, and extrude up the surface and choose the surface or the surface in behind, so it's going to cut through the surface, or up to body be the same like up to surface, and mid plane it will cut through all or in both directions. So I'm going to choose some dimension here, and okay, so now we have a cut through this part. And again I can do it with other part here. I'll choose the top plane. So the top plane, as we see, it is in the middle of this sketch. So we can also try to draw a sketch by choosing the surface, so it will draw the sketch on that level of that surface. If I press on that surface, we see here sketch. I'll press on sketch, normal 2, so I will be able to draw a sketch on the surface of this part. So let's draw a rectangle and add some dimension. And also add some center line to center, and let's add another dimension. So now let's choose the extrude cut. It is blind here, you can change the dimension as you want, or through all, so it's going to cut through all the part. Up to next will be the same like through all, and up to surface we can choose which surface. If I use this, so it's going to cut through until this surface. Up to body the same, or offset to surface. For example, I choose this surface, so we can choose how much the offset to be. Or mid plane, it will cut in both directions. So in this case I'm going to choose blind and add some dimension, and I'm going to activate the draft. So okay. So now I can close this tutorial about the extrude cut feature. So see you in the next tutorial.